If you want to delete your CapCut account, this video will walk you through the exact steps on CapCut PC so you can remove the right account safely and quickly. Whether you're switching accounts, cleaning up old logins, or simply no longer need the service, I'll show you how to do it in just a few moments. And if this guide helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure you are signed into the exact account you want to delete. This part is very important because once you continue, you want to be absolutely certain you're deleting the correct profile. If you have multiple accounts, double check your username, email, or any account details visible in the app before going any further. Once you've confirmed you're in the right account, look toward the top right corner of the CapCut window and click the Settings gear icon. This will open the Settings menu where you'll see different account and app options. From that drop-down menu, hover over the account option. As soon as you do that, the account-related actions should appear. Now click Delete Account. CapCut will then prompt you to confirm your decision because deleting an account is a permanent action. Take a moment here to make sure you really want to proceed, and if everything looks correct, confirm the deletion. After that, your CapCut account deletion request will be completed. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to delete your CapCut account on PC in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut and software how-to videos, and leave a comment if you want help with anything else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.